Okay, switch to the jig because that one lure is broken. It's a big one. I did. First cast, baby. This has a parasite or something. Look how big this guy is. Holy cow. He's like the biggest spotted I've caught in the creek. And it's like freaking almost dead. Yeah, this guy has some diseases on him. I'm gonna let him go really quickly. He smells so bad. He is almost dead. Well, that fish is almost dead. Parasites. That's what this creek doesn't have going. Why don't I have the camera on for these things, man? No, because you're using those stupid... Oh, I got a fish in the eye. Got him in the eye. Sorry, dog. You're blind. Oh, got one. Hey, man, don't. I think I snagged it. Yeah, dog, I snagged him. In the eye. And I'm making a lot of fish blind today. Wait, no, I snagged him in the freaking brain. Bye-bye. Be free. Don't die. Why? How do I... It's a nice... I mean, it's an alright spot for the creek, at least. Look at that. Switch to the jig. Oh, wait. Oh, he barely had that in his mouth. Oh, he swam the wrong... He swam back up on the land! You're retarded!
He's like,
dude, what's wrong with you? Freaking retard. Bring him up. Yeah, baby. Oh, got one too. Oh, I thought we doubled up. I got a bite though. Got one. So, doubled up. Missed him. Oh, he ate that like he should. Right in the corner of the mouth. Nice one, Harrison. Yeah, fisher, fisher, fisher. Oh, got one. Oh, wow, he ate that. Oh, he freaking came off, too. That was a big one. No, it's not a freaking... Oh, yeah, look how small that one is. That's a greedy little dink. I mean, he got a free Pearson, so good for him. I came right out. I barely even had him. I thought the fish came off, and it was just my worm was down. Got one. Oh, sunfish. Freaking sunfish. Wait, drinks.